Sino ang mananalo? Twice to win advantage. Foul on number 18. Aquino, third foul. Number 18, pangatlo. Third personal foul, pangatlo. Deadlock, 46 all. Deadlock, 46 all. Last throw, ready jumpers. Split the charity. Uy, rebound by Aquino. Tulagan, 2 points. Change favor. Change favor. It's a 2-point lead in favor of Bangover squad. Lamang na. Ulit ang squad. Sa Nicolas Drive. Basket plus a foul on number. Basket foul on number 69. Second foul. Bonus shot. Ready jumpers. Deadlock 48 all. Deadlock 48 all. Ready jumpers. Basket, okay. 49-14. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Batallions. 49-14. Tulagan. Rebound Aquino. Another 2 points. Yes sir. 2 points. Change favor. Balik ang lamang sa over squad. 50-49. 1 point lead, hangover. Aquino 24, wala. Rebound. Oh, bad pass. Aquino number 13 goes for the drive. And there's a foul on number 8. Number 8, that is your third foul. Pangatlo. Third personal foul. Number 8, Tulagan. Pangatlo. Third foul. Bueno. 10 seconds to shoot. Sa Nicolas. Wala. Rebound. Pamintuan. 10 seconds to shoot. Aquino. In and out. Here's the ball. 8 minutes 22, 1 point lead, hangover squad. Isa ang kalamangan ng hangover, 50-49. Sa Nicolas. Sa Nicolas pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Aquino. And my fouls in number 2. Resuello, that is your third foul. Pangatlo rin. Third personal foul. Third foul. Third foul. Pangatlo. Last throw. Deadlock. 50 all. Last throw. Ready jumpers. Basket, change favor tayo, 1 point lead Batallion. 51-50, 51-50. 8 minutes, last quarter. Steal, sa Nicolas. Sa Nicolas drives, layup, 2 points. 53-50, tatlo. Batallions basketball. Third over. 3 point lead tayo. 3 point lead Batallion. Tatlo, kalamangan Batallions. Steal by Resuello. And my fouls in number 21 Pamintuan. That is your fourth foul. Pang-apat. Warning. Warning on number 21 Pamintuan. Fourth foul. Steal by Bueno. Bueno layup. Wala. Rebound. Pamintuan. Parallel basket. May kasama pang foul. Number 8. Number 8, that is your fourth foul. Pang-apat rin. Warning on number 8. Bonus shot tayo, ready jumpers. 5-point lead tayo, battalions. 5-point lead, battalions. Bonus shot, ready jumpers. Ready jumpers. Bonus shot is good. Anim, 6-point lead. Pulagan. Number 8. Bigay kay number 69. 10 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Substitution run, Sabrat. 7 minutes, 7. Last quarter, 56-50. 6-point lead tayo. In favor of battalions, 6. San Nicolas. 10 seconds to shoot. San Nicolas drives. Wala. Rebound. San Nicolas. Aquino. And my foul, si number 69. 69. Third foul, 69. Third foul. Pangatlo. Last throw, ready jumpers. Last throw, ready jumpers. 6-point lead tayo, battalion. 6-point lead. 6-point lead, battalions. One out of 2, 7-point lead, battalions. Split the charity. Foul number 14. Sabret, second foul, 14. Second foul, San Nicolas, second foul. Second personal foul. Estrello, number 2. Tries, short. Number 18. San Nicolas goes for the layup. Rebound number 18. And there is a foul on number 25. 25. First throw. Last throw, ready jumpers. Last throw, ready jumpers. 7-point lead tayo, 7-point lead, battalions. 1 out of 2, split again, 8-point lead, 8. 6 minutes, 18 seconds, last quarter. Aquino, number 19, drives, yes sir, 2 points. Babasa 6, 6-point lead. Aquino, number 18, pass. Wala, rebound. Aquino. Number 18, behind the back. Bigay kay Escoro. Escoro drive. And there is a foul on number 27. Timeout. Half over. Last throw. Ready jumpers. 5, 5-point lead. 2 out of 2, 4. In favor of battalions, 4. 58-54. 58-54. Foul number 24. Warning for penalty. Second foul. Warning for penalty. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. San Nicolas. And 3 points. Number 14, balik sa pito. 61-54. Iskoro. Drives. And fouls in number 24. Second foul. 2 free throws. 5 minutes 10. Last throw. Ready jumpers. 6.8. 61-55. 61-55. 61-56. 2 out of 2. 61-56. 5-point lead. Aquino. Jump. 5 minutes. Time remaining. Last corner. Fourth and final period. And there is a foul. Number 14. Third foul. Warning for penalty. Fourth personal. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 2. For 3, wala. Ten seconds to shoot. 24, 2 points, baba sa tatlo. 3-point lead. Tatlo ulit. San Nicolas drive. And fouls in number 25. Penalty. Second foul, 25. Penalty. Apat, 62. 58. 2 out of 2. 5-point lead. 4 minutes 12. 5-point lead. 5 in favor of Battalions. Risuelio. 2 points. Number 2. Tatlo ulit. 3-point lead. 3-point lead tayo. Tatlo Battalions. San Nicolas. San Nicolas drive. Jump. Rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound. Risuelio. 3 minutes 32. 3 minutes 32. 3 minutes 32. 3-point lead Battalions. 14-second shot clock. 14-second shot clock. 3-point lead Battalions. Tatlo. Okay, number 18. Drive. Steal. Score. Steal by 24. 27. Bigay kay San Nicolas. Number 14. And foul si number 2. Foul number 2. Hit to the arm. 2 free throws. Pang-apat. Fourth foul. Number 2. Fourth foul. Warning. Last throw. Apat. Reserve tayo. Reserve. Last throw. Ready jumpers. Sabrat, number 25 out. 5-point lead, 65-60. 5 in favor of Battalions. 3 minutes 12 tayo, 3 minutes 12. And there is a foul. Number 21, 5 fouls, 21, penalty. Baba sa 4. Rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. And 3 points, isa. 1 point lead tayo, 1 point lead battalions. Isang kalaman, 2 minutes 40. Hey, stepping. Bola lang over. Stepping, 2 minutes 37. 2 minutes 37. Score. Offensive foul. Number 13. That is your third foul. Number 13, offensive foul. Offensive foul. Pangatlo na score. Number 10, Aquino. 2 points, close to close. Number 18. Balik sa tatlo, 67-6. Oh, steal! 18 ulit, Aquino. Goes for the drive. Bueno, follow up. Wala na, rebound by Aquino. Aquino, pass. Kulagan. Foul ulit. 3 points, step up. Last 2 minutes. Deadlock tayo, 67 all. 67 all. It's a kick ball. Bola ng hangover basketball. Kick. Hangover basketball. Timeout. Hangover. Okay, 14 second shot clock tayo. Front court inbound. 14 second shot clock. Front court inbound. Second shot clock tayo. Second shot. Front court inbound. Deadlock tayo. 67 all. 67. 67 all. Both teams penalty. Risuello. Foul. Number 27. Penalty. Both teams penalty. Fourth foul. 27. Fourth foul. Penalty. Deadlock tayo. Deadlock. Last throw, Red Gophers. Deadlock 67. Change favor. 1 point lead down over. Sunglass. Steal. And my foul. I'll score. Unsportsmanlike foul on number 27. 2 free throws plus ball possession. Number 27, 5 fouls. 2 free throws tayo. Plus ball possession. One more free throw. 1 point lead tayo. 1 point lead hangover. Plus ball possession. 68-67. 1 point lead. 1 minute 27. 14 seconds shot clock tayo. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good. 1 minute 10 seconds. 1 point lead. Now over. San Nicolas drives. Basket plus a foul. Number 24. Change favor. 24, third foul. Bonus shot. Ready jumpers. Change favor. 1 point lead battalions. 1 minute left. 59 seconds. 59. 1 point lead. Battalions, isa ang kalamangan. 59 seconds. Last quarter tayo. 59 seconds. Score. Same ball. 53 seconds. 53. 53 seconds. Tulagan. Score. 10 seconds to shoot. 45 seconds. 5 to shoot. 5 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 41 seconds. Aquino. Rebound. 35 seconds. 30 seconds left. San Nicolas. 25 seconds. Rebound. 20 seconds. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds. Isa lang ang laban ng batalyon sa 1 point lead battalions. 20 seconds. 1 point lead battalions. 1 point lead battalions. 20 seconds. 1 point lead. Foul number
Penalty.
32. Penalty. 18 seconds. 18. 2 free throws. One point lead tayo. Isa lang battalions. 1 point lead battalions. 18 seconds. 1 point lead battalions. 18 seconds. Rebound. 15 seconds. 12 seconds. Foul. Number 8. Number 8, 5 fouls. Tayo, 1 point lead. Isa lang ang naman ng battalions. 12 seconds. Reserve tayo. Pag-shoot tayo, reserve tayo. 12 seconds. Play. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds left. Make up.